Hi, and welcome to this InstantASP Feature Spotlight video. This time around we're going to be covering custom views. Last time around we covered manage views, which is the ability to manipulate the default views within the KB and to change those wholesale. Those are the ones that come packaged with the KB. Custom views allows you to create custom view schemas for data within your knowledge base and apply them to users based on their permission set, which of course are applied either directly to the users or through their group memberships and departments. So let's get straight into it. First, let's talk about the view we're going to modify first. If we go into the knowledge base area, you'll notice that we have here latest articles and popular articles. These are the two primary views when you are actually viewing the knowledge base tab, as indicated here in the upper left. Now, if we want to modify the latest articles view, this is how we go about that in terms of applying a custom view. You'll notice we're already logged in as an admin user, so we can go straight to the admin CP and get started. So we're going to open up the knowledge base tab, and you'll see this button here, Manage Views. You should recognize the 4 default views that are applied to every tab from our last video on Manage Views. This time though, we're going to click the Add a Custom View button. Now we're going to select the latest articles module. These represent the views. So you've got latest articles and popular articles as we already demonstrated within the knowledge base tab. Then we have category, which is the view presented to you when you are viewing a specific category within a tab. Then you have manage articles. This is the view presented in the staff CP under manage articles when you are logged in as a staff member. So we want to do a latest articles. And all that really means is it's going to put the view into that latest articles box. In fact, let's just spawn another tab. Open the tab, go into the knowledge base tab. When we select the latest articles module, it means it's going to put our custom view here. So we're going to call this latest articles categorized. Latest articles view showing categories. There we are. Now because it's the latest articles view, we're going to sort by last modified in ascending order and 5 results per page. The more results per page, the longer, back in this tab, the longer these items will be, and it can cause some vertical scroll. So what are we going to put in? Well, the standard view has ID, title and last modified. I don't think we're going to have ID, so what we're going to do is we're going to put in category, because we said it was categorized, the title, and the last modified date. And then simply select Create View. As you can see, the view has been added. Now if we go back to our other tab and look at the knowledge base tab and refresh, you'll notice nothing by default changes at all. There's no default change just by creating a custom view for that module. We have to apply it. So how do we do that? Coming back into the admin CP, we go to members, member permissions, and then select the permission set that we want to apply this to. Now I'm logged in as an administrator, so for illustrative purposes, we're going to apply the view to the administrator's permission set. So we select edit permissions next to administrators, and then select the tab that we want to modify permissions for, in this case, knowledge base. You'll see here default views, latest articles module. We select the drop down, and our new custom view is available for selection. If we now save the permission set, the green message notifies us that the permission set has been successfully updated. And going back to our knowledge base tab, if we refresh now, there you have it. Latest articles categorized. Now actually you can see that we've made a small mistake, and actually these should be sorted descending because older dates count as a smaller number. So if we didn't want to modify that but we wanted to resort the latest articles list, how would we do that? simply click the header in the column. And as you can see, it's been resorted. Now moving right along, I'd like to illustrate just again how to create a custom view. This time we're going to look at the staff CP. So if I move into the staff CP for viewing and go to the knowledge base and manage articles, here you'll see the manage articles module. So what we're going to do, noting that title and last modified, the same schema is displayed, we're going to go back into the admin CP. We're going to go to the knowledge base tab again, manage views, and add custom view. The module type this time is manage articles, and we're going to name this manage articles with priority. Manage articles screen with added priority field. We're going to sort them by priority ascending. Again, 5 results per page should be fine. So we're going to select priority as a field, last modified by, and title. And actually I'm just going to move title up using the move up button to change the ordering, and I'm going to create that view. Now of course if we go into the tab and refresh, manage articles has not changed. How do we apply it this time? Well, this time the only difference is because we're modifying a staff view, the manage articles view, we need to go to staff and staff permissions. The default permissions are there. Edit permissions for the knowledge base tab, and again manage articles view is set to manage articles by default. Drop it down, you'll see our manage articles with priority view is available for selection. Save the permission set to our default staff permission set, or any other staff permission set that you've already created as outlined in our main help desk scenario InstantKB tutorial video. Now if we go back into manage articles and refresh, you'll see that the priorities are displayed on the left, high priority to low. And that's really all there is to custom views, and the limitations are only really your imagination or your data schemas. These are highly customizable and by far one of the most powerful in terms of data representation and user friendliness for your knowledge base users. By far one of the most powerful features that InstantKB has to offer. It's one of my personal favorites. So that's custom views. Looking forward to talking to you again in the near future. Until then, bye bye.